Ito, sagutin natin to. Coach, buti hindi ka nagsasawang sumagot ng tanong kahit paulit-ulit. Who told you? Sino nagsabi sa inyong tonto ako sa inyo? Paulit-ulit tayo. Weight loss, fat loss, paano mawala ang braso, paano mawala ang back fat, paano mag-build ng ganito, mag-build ng muscle sa ganyan. Kala na itong mga to, tonto ako. I am furious. Paano yung furious? Ganyan. Pero bibigyan kita ng sagot kung bakit. I made this video a year ago answering a comment sa TikTok. Ito ha. So ginawa ko siya ng video while teaching my client. Ito, hips mo, ibabalik mo. Then this morning, she found me on Facebook. Ito yung kanyang comment 1 year ago. And ngayon, she is working out on her own without the help of a personal trainer. Now for me, isn't that the purpose kung bakit ako gumagawa ng video? I don't consider myself influencer, fitness influencer. I don't, nakokornihan ako eh. I'm just doing what I love, showing people what I know. Napakita ko sa video. That is the point of our videos. If you can reach at least one person na gustong matuto, kaya sila nagtatanong, they want to learn. Kaya sila paulit-ulit na nagtatanong, paulit-ulit na lang gustong subukan. Fitness is a repetitive cycle. Building muscle, weight loss, fat loss, weight gain. It's a repetitive cycle. There is always one person or bagong makakapanood ng video mo. Walang idea sa fitness, pero posibleng maengganyo mo. Yung mga nagwo-workout na dati pa, posibleng matuto sa bago mong video or sa gagawin mong video. And ma-apply nila, tapos maging consistent sila. Isn't that the purpose of a coach? To change lives? 1 year siyang naging consistent. I was part of her fitness journey just by answering. Hindi ba? Yung puso mo, alam mo yung puso mo, parang, oh. Kung may mapulot kayo, go. Kung gusto nyo ko i-follow, go. Gusto nyo yung video, i-like nyo. Kung gusto nyo i-comment, mag-comment kayo, share. I don't care. I'll keep doing videos hanggat meron akong nare-reach kahit isang tao lang. Willing matuto at matuturuan ko through my videos, I will do it 1,000 times. Isang tao lang, matuto sa video ko, hindi ba panalo na ako nun? Arte ng video na to, di ako sanay. Parang eme-eme. Gusto ko yung nagwawalang yaan tayo eh.